Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Ryan School, Islamabad, affiliate campus at foundation level. So today, viewers, my seventh TEDx on the topic of challenging norms by Abiha Heather. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am reviewing the TEDx talk challenging norms by Abiha Heather. This talk delivers a powerful message about breaking societal barriers and refusing to live by outdated expectation. Abiha Heather shared how society often creates limits for people, especially women, by telling them what they can or cannot do. She explains that many norms are not based on ability but on tradition and fear of change. One of the strongest points in her talk is that progress being when someone dares to question the rules. She encourages us not to accept every social expectation blindly, but to ask, does this belief people grow or does it hold them back? Abiha Heather, Abiha Heather, and Abiha Journeys. Abiha Heather and Abiha Journeys as an athlete reflects this message. She challenged pursuing sports in a space where many people believe women should not participate. Her story proves that courage and presentations can break barriers. My biggest takeaway from this talk is if nobody challenges old norms, society never improve. This talk teaches that changes start with one brave person. Success requires courage to be different. We should follow purpose, not pressure. Overall, I found this talk extremely inspiring because it motivates young people to believe in themselves and create their own path. Thank you. So, viewer, this is my seventh TEDx topic on the topic of challenging norm by Abiha Heather. So, this is successfully done. So, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan, Zindabad.